Right, another wee Milwaukee grinder. Switch is gone, not. Nobody normally cares about them. It's a good sign. Hear that high pitched whine? That's the motor trying to start but can't rotate. It's actually a good sign. Means it's just a bearing and it hasn't cooked the motor yet. Bearing totally missing. You can see where she's been rubbing, jamming up. I need to give these a good clean. The inside race and the balls. I've obviously got an inside. Housing doesn't look too bad. Might get away with this. Just pull this out. Make sure you have all the pieces of the bearing out. Give it a good clean. There's a magnet down here on the switch. That's where they can get stuck as well, so just watch that. That's the insides. Now, just need to deal with the bearing itself. Now, this last piece of the bearing, the inside race, can be a wee bit tricky to get off. All you need, just get yourself another grinder and grind back the inside race until you can just see the shaft. You can just see that line up the middle, the shaft of the actual armature. That's the hole broken on the bearing. That's her. Because you're only just kissing that shaft, you don't actually do barely any damage. Might leave it a wee scrape, but that's fine. Clean this here armature now. Make sure there's no swarf. That's a metal. Stick it to the magnets. All you need then is one 605 decent bearing. Go for an NSK or a FAG bearing. Press this on now. That's it. One new bearing fitted. Hopefully that's all she needs. This grinder as a whole, probably one of the best made grinders on the market, to be quite honest. It's just that one bearing lets it down. Simple as that.